Hello, everyone. My name is Madison Lobozinski, and today I am the Agile customer.
Hey everyone, my name is Amit Gupta and I'm a developer for AMAC laptops.
Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed Saeed. I'm a developer as well for AMAC laptops.
Hello everyone, my name is Chitwan Katyal and I'm a developer for Amic Laptops.
Hi, my name is Madison Spencer, and I'm a developer for AMAC laptops.
All right, so let's get started. I'll share my screen here. So today we are working on our iteration plan for a second iteration. And here I have already set up all of the user stories for the second iteration. So let's get started with the first user story, which is, as a user, I should be able to see a list of available products and its details. So what are some tasks that we can divide up from this user story?
I think initially we'll need a product page layout.
Okay. So creating a product page layout. And who would like to take on this task?
I can do that.
Okay. And how long do you think it would take?
Should take around 4 hours, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What is another task that we can add?
So adding some products to start with.
Okay. Who would like to take care of this one?
I can take that.
Okay. And what is your estimate for the adding products to the page?
4 hours.
Okay. Is there any more tasks that we could divide this up into?
You also need a search bar for the products, for searching the products.
Okay. And who would like to take this task?
I can do that.
Okay. And what would be the estimate for this task?
1 hour should be good.
Okay. 1 hour sounds good for that one.
And I can also add some scroll up functionality, like scroll to the top functionality in it.
Okay, that's a good idea, yeah.
Yeah, 1 hour should be more than enough.
All right, sounds good. Is there any more
We need
tasks
to
for
add
this?
CSS. We need to add CSS for the products page.
I can work on that.
Okay,
1 hour should be enough.
okay. We're thinking anything else for the tasks?
We should be good to go with that.
Okay. All right, so if that's good, let's move on to our second user story, which is, as a user, I should be able to add products to my cart. I think first,
Should be a cart layout that needs to be added to the products page.
yes.
That would be some work
yes.
to do, as it'll require different devs to work with.
Cart layout to add to the products page.
I can take the cart thing and
Okay.
it should take around 2 hours.
All right. What else are we thinking for this one? we're gonna need CSS
Add
for this as
functionality.
well.
Yeah.
Function. Sorry, what were you gonna say?
Add functionality, like adding the products to the cart.
Okay,
Add
yes.
to cart functionality. Yeah,
All right.
Mhm.
it's gonna make sense.
Who would like to take this one?
I can work on it.
What are you thinking in terms of an estimate?
I'd say 2 hours.
Okay. I was gonna say we also are gonna need CSS for this, correct?
Yeah.
For the cart. I can take care of that if you guys want.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
That would probably take me around an hour. Is there anything else that we can divide this up into?
We'd also need the remove
Remove it.
functionality. Remove
Remove.
from cart.
Yep. Who would like to take care of this task?
I can
I can
take
work
that.
on it since
Okay, yeah,
it's part
you
of
can
the
work on it.
add to cart.
Okay, sounds good.
It'll be relatively similar.
Okay. Are you thinking 2 hours again?
Yeah, let's just put 2 hours to be safe. I'll update it. I'll update the actual if anything's different.
Mm-hmm. All right.
And we also need an alert when we add a product to the cart. Like
Oh
the
yeah,
product
definitely.
added
Yeah. As a pop-up.
pop-up, yeah.
Okay.
Success pop-up for add to cart.
Who wants to do the pop-up?
I can do that.
Okay. Sounds good. How long do you think that would take?
Probably an hour.
An hour? All right. What else do you think for this one?
CSS and remove pop-up. I think we should be good to go.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think that looks good too. So let's move on to the next one then. As a user, I should be able to search for products using a search bar.
Same search bar layout. I can take the
Oh.
search bar. Okay, I think we added search bar somewhere before. I think we
Yeah, I
added
think
that
we
to
should bring it
products.
from the first story. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, we can.
the third task.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You're right.
we can make it part of
So
this. It'll be more appropriate on the.
yeah, we can just
Search
copy and
bar.
paste that here instead.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, Chitlin was gonna do it. So
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do we need the search bar layout too then?
I think
We
it
need
was the
CSS.
layout itself. Sorry, the search bar on products page, it's the layout, right?
I think so, yeah. Just wanted to double check. What else can we add for this user story in terms of tasks?
We can add CSS for the search bar.
Okay. Who wants to take care of the search bar CSS?
I can do that.
Okay,
Should be an hour.
all right.
We might need JavaScript to go with the search bar to be able to search the products on the page.
hmm
Mhm.
So should I put like keyword search functionality?
Yeah, should be good. I can do that if
Okay.
no one else wants.
Yeah, if like whoever wants to take that one's fine.
Should take around 3 hours.
3 hours? All right. Are you guys thinking about anything else for this story?
So the search bar, Chitman, can you also add the search button with the search bar to be able to click there and search?
Mhm. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Like
can do that.
I think we can do that in the first one. It's a search bar and search button on the products page should be fine, I think.
Okay. Sounds good. Anything else for this one?
I think that's pretty much sums up the search bar
Yeah.
story.
Mhm.
Sounds
Okay.
good, yeah.
All right. For the next one, as a user, I should be able to send an email to IT support regarding the issues I am facing on the web application. So for
Yeah.
this one, I guess we're going to need to create the layout for the contact
Yeah.
page.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
think that should be the primary task.
Okay.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
layout and the CSS, I think they are
I can,
the
yeah,
common task for all the pages.
okay. I can take care of all the contact page stuff if you guys are okay with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that would probably take me about 2 hours to set everything up. And for the CSS for the contact page, I think that would also probably take me around 2 hours just because I'm not great at CSS, but I try. So layout, CSS. What else can we say for this one?
That's pretty much it for that.
Okay.
I'll probably wanna. Well, what about the contact information? Was that
That's,
part of the
Yes.
task? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's
Email
gonna
and the
be for
phone
the
number.
next.
Oh,
That's gonna
yes.
be for the next user
Oh,
story.
we have a. Okay.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
another one.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll do it for this one. So if that's okay, is that okay? We'll move on to the final user story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So as a business, I want my business number, email address, and address listed on the contact page for customer inquiries.
Well, I guess the task itself says is mentioned in the user story.
All these, yeah,
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
all the tasks in it. Right.
Add business number, email, and address. I can also do this since unless does anyone else want to take this?
Could I take it?
Yeah, for sure. How long do you think for the estimate?
Like an hour?
An hour? All right. But since this is for the business, should we add to the contact page, should we add email address for technical support for this one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Email and phone number, or just the
Phone number.
email?
Oh, yes, we'll do a phone number. Do you want to do that too, Madison?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Probably, like, how long do you think?
Probably about an hour for that one
Yeah.
as well.
Okay. All right, so yeah, that one looks good now.
We can also add a map here
Yes,
for
we
the
could
business
use
address.
Yeah.
we could use like the Google Map.
API.
So
Mhm.
any of you working on the contact page, can you guys do it? Any of you?
I could take care of that. If that's okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds good.
I think that will probably take me around an hour. Was there anything else for this user story that we could add?
I think it's just a static page with info on it. So
Yeah. Okay. So if everything looks good, I think that we are finished with all of our user stories. Is there anything else you guys want to add to any of these?
just wanna go through it once again so we don't miss out anything.
So first user story, see a list of available products, creating product page layout, adding products, scroll to top, CSS.
Adding some products. Oh, no, it also needs add to cart button, but
Yes.
that itself comes under
Yeah.
the layout. I think that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the button and the
Mhm.
images and the JavaScripts going with the images, I think that all comes under the layout page.
Okay. Yeah,
I
that would
think
explain
then,
the 4-hour estimate
yeah,
too.
yeah.
Okay.
At the top, then that's page. Yeah, should be good.
Okay. So let's move on to this one. Add products to the cart. Cart layout, add to cart functionality, CSS, remove from cart, and a success pop-up for the add to cart.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I
Mhm.
think that one is pretty good. This is the search bar story, search bar and search button, search bar CSS, and keyword search functionality. I think that pretty much sums up the search bar.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay. IT support, and so this is the contact page, create layout, CSS, email address and phone number. These two are pretty basic. It's just a static page, right? So these
Right.
ones aren't
Mhm.
as extensive. So as a business number, email address, add business number, add Google Map. We don't need to do additional CSS for this stuff. So I think it
Yeah.
all looks
Think
good.
it. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Seems good to me as well. Yeah.
All right. Let me just stop sharing my screen. All right. Well, I think we are finished with this one, guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot,
Thank
guys. Let's
you.
get working.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you
for
all.
sure.
Thank you very
Yeah, and
much.
also post our Trello board. I'll update that and add all the tasks and assign them to respective owners of those tasks. So after this
Okay.
meeting.
All right.
Okay, awesome.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sounds good.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, guys. See you.
All right. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.